Alright, what's up guys? Long story short, because I'm driving, having to use a GPS, I'm on my way to Alabama. Tomorrow is Memorial Day. We're all going to go out kayaking. A lot of the family is going to bring some of their kids. We're supposedly supposed to be going to this place near Little River Canyon that's got some of the clearest water around. Do a little bit of swimming, some stuff like that. The place we're going to is called Big Oak. We're going to have to paddle a little bit out from where we put in at to get to the water to swim. But I will be back with you eventually. I'm going to let you go. I got to pull up my GPS. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep these on me, okay? If you want them, you just let me know. Now you're going to sit in my lap, all right? All right, you good? No, you're good. Yep. Quit! I can't see in there. Oh, you sure? You sure? I can't quite see in there. You good? You good in there? I'm just checking. I'm just checking. Hey. Okay. I'm just checking on you. Oh, you got me. Yeah, it feels good. How much further we got? To the right or left?
Either way. It just goes around that island.
Oh, okay. That means we're almost there. We get to go swimming. Hey, where are you at? Yeah. You better get. Hey. Woman, I'm gonna get you so good. I'm gonna get you so good. She's hiding in her life vest. Yeah, she better let me in. I don't even care. Nope, not going to. No, I'm not going to. I don't care. I'm not going to. No. No. Don't tell me what to do. Oh, she's so strong. She's so. Okay. Come on.
Are you having fun?
Yeah. I think we're gonna pull out right up there and swim a little bit. Yeah. You want to get out and do some swimming? Yeah. All right, you can touch right here, so we're gonna get out and do some swimming.
All right, give me your hands. You ready? Other hand. Oh.
At first I thought that was Mason.
Oh yeah. What up, dude? Hey, you can sit on the other end if you want to. Yeah.
You don't want to go there, so I'm going first. You want to stay right here?
They're on their way. They just came around the corner.
They get out or something?
I don't know.
Would you just go check and come back?
Yeah.
I told you it wasn't easy. Probably not. If I did, it's on the edge.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. Just keep swimming. swimming, just keep swimming, just keep. Alright, you're supposed to sing with me. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Hey, why are you not singing with me? Just keep swimming. JC!
You got it made, don't you?
Oh yeah, she's not having to do any work.
Dylan, he found a flat rock and he showed me how to throw a flat rock. You get a flat rock.
Oh yeah, how to skip rocks? Oh, that's awesome. You don't want to yet? You can sit on the boat.
Or you can sit in the water.
Or you can sit in the water.
I'll put this way.
Here, I'll get it for you.
Fishies over here. I wish
We'll
I
put
brought
it-
the net. You could have fun. This
good?
reminds me of catfishing.
Oh, is it?
Never been catfishing.
Oh.
Caught one either, but fall.
Looking for rocks? Oh my goodness! I'm... Oh! Ha ha ha! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh. Oh my goodness! Oh.
I wish I had a way to put some air in it. That's what we used to pull behind jet.
Who's your good Remy? Who's your good Remy? Alright, so that was a fun trip. I'm not sure I got enough video on the GoPros to make a whole YouTube video. We kind of got distracted with family and everything. But maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I don't know. We'll find out the hard way. I'm hoping to get a little bit more while we're here. Everybody's kind of hanging out. A lot of people have already left, but we'll see. First off, thank you to those of you that watched the video. I know it was a little bit slow and maybe even boring compared to some of the other videos for you guys. This to me was more of a scrapbook of memories with my family than it was a YouTube video for views, that kind of thing. I had an amazing time spending time with my best friend that I haven't seen in way too long, and his kids. They've just all grown up. That was his daughter JC in my lap in the kayak, and I love them all, and it was just a great time. I couldn't have asked for any time better. But if you did watch the video and if you enjoyed it, thank you, and I will see you in the next one.